Are you looking for the best ladders? In this video we will look at some of the best ladders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Rubbermaid Folding Step Ladder. This stepladder is perfect for reaching high cupboards, washing bathroom walls, and most household tasks that require extra height. Its featherweight and slim design make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. During testing, we used it for organizing shelves, cleaning, and changing light bulbs. We especially love the built-in tool tray, even if it's a little finicky to close. That minor drawback isn't a deal breaker for everyday use. In fact, we think this is an excellent choice for an all-around light-duty step ladder, thanks to the padded safety rail and grippy foot pads. Although the reach height isn't specified, the top step is approximately 29 inches from the floor. Combined with the tall safety rail, it provides solid support for anyone taller than 5 feet to comfortably reach a 7-foot ceiling and change a light bulb. The Rubbermaid step ladder is the lightest on our list and folds into a compact size, so it's easy to transport or store in the back of an SUV. At number 2. HBTower 3-Step Ladder with Handrails. This step ladder is a great boost for people who don't feel comfortable using a standard ladder, as the handrail provides extra support while you're on it. During testing, we found that it was the perfect size for a variety of tasks, including reaching high kitchen cabinets, hanging outdoor lights, and organizing garage storage. The metal handrails on both sides are covered with cushiony foam for a solid grip, providing even more safety. We felt very stable while climbing up and down during our testing. It has 3 heavy-duty plastic rungs, which, at 8.3 inches deep, give plenty of support for your feet. Boasting the highest duty rating of IAA, Extra Heavy Duty, on our list, the manufacturer states up to a 500-pound weight capacity. This ladder also has a handy detachable tool bag with 4 pockets to hold tools such as cordless drills or paintbrushes. However, it does not have built-in platform storage, like our best step ladder. When fully open, the entire ladder, including the upper handrail, measures 55 inches high. You'll have approximately a 7-foot reach height, which is enough for most small tasks around the house, like trimming hedges, but not high enough for painting the tops of the walls. In our experience, the 16-pound ladder is lightweight and easy to maneuver all around the house. We found it easy to open, but it does require a hard yank to close. At number 3. Louisville Extension Ladder. The Louisville Fiberglass Extension Ladder is ideal for homeowners who need a rugged, heavy-duty ladder to tackle exterior projects safely. We used this ladder at home for repairing gutters and found it to be very stable. Because it's fiberglass, it's non-conductive, making it safe to use around electrical equipment. During testing, the wide swivel safety shoes at the base, equipped with interchangeable spikes for grass or rubber treads for hard surfaces, kept the ladder firmly planted, even on uneven ground. We felt that the rungs were a bit shallow, and after extended use, about 45 minutes, foot fatigue set in. At 42 pounds, it's also on the heavy side, and moving it requires some effort. The pulley system can be tricky to master at first, though the quick latch rung lock adds reassurance by securely holding the ladder in place when extended. This ladder is available in 7 lengths, ranging from 16 to 40 feet, making it a practical choice for multi-story homes. At number 4. HBTower 5-Foot Wide Step Folding Step Ladder. When folded, this handy step ladder compacts into a 1.6-inch profile, the thinnest on our list, allowing it to easily slide into a coat closet or against your refrigerator. After 6 months of daily use, we've come to rely on this handy helper for numerous household projects. The HBTower folding step ladder doesn't skimp on stability. The extra-wide non-slip rungs and rubber feet keep the ladder balanced and secure. The ladder is a bit over 5 feet tall when closed and has 8.5-inch deep, strong plastic rungs, which perfectly fit a men's size 9.5 shoes during testing. At the very top of the ladder is a strong plastic platform designed to hold a 1-gallon paint can and a few tools, but it can be removed if needed. It's lightweight and easy to carry with its padded handle, and we love the sculpted tool tray on top. The weight capacity of this ladder is 330 pounds, according to the manufacturer, although the duty rating is not listed online. This makes it comparable to most ladders on our list. At number 5. DeWalt 4-foot fiberglass step ladder. This 4-foot workhorse is the perfect size for serious contractors and homeowners who need a heavy-duty yet maneuverable step ladder. When we tested it, the wide feet instantly inspired confidence, gripping the floor without leaving a mark thanks to the non-marring rubber boots. It feels rock-solid underfoot, no wobble, no fear. Whether you're switching out your kitchen lighting or taking on an extensive remodeling project, this nimble ladder is easy to position and holds an impressive array of tools. We love the convenience of the magnetic tool tray on top, which is outfitted with slots and holes for drills and tools. It securely holds bits, hardware, and fasteners right where you need them. Although significantly bulkier than our best overall step ladder, the DeWalt is a tough, professional-grade option, built to withstand daily abuse. Its fiberglass frame is safe for electrical work, making it a reliable choice for serious projects. We did find the hinges were a bit sticky when opening and closing the ladder, so be mindful of where your hands are when closing it.